In this video, we're going to compute the limit of x plus ln of x as x goes to plus infinity. In our case, our function is defined for x strictly bigger than 0. And we know two key ideas here is that the limit of x as x goes to plus infinity is plus infinity, and the limit of ln of x as x goes to infinity is plus infinity. So here we can say that we have these two limits. So this is plus infinity, and in this case we have no problem. We can add the infinities. This is not an indeterminate form, okay? So we define the sum of the infinities, okay? If we have plus infinity, it's plus infinity. In fact, it's plus infinity, okay? So this is not an indeterminate form, it's the limit. So that means this function will get bigger and bigger as x gets bigger and bigger. That means the values of f of x, if we call f of x, x plus ln of x, will definitely get bigger as x gets bigger, okay? And we need this idea when we graph the function, okay? So it's not undetermined, it's plus infinity. And its meaning is that these values of this function will get bigger as x gets bigger. That's what it means exactly. Another key that we can do is that we can compute the limit of our function f of x as x goes to 0 from the right. That means we are looking for the limit of x plus ln of x as x goes to 0 from the right. Okay, here we're going to see something that we have seen before, is that the limit as x goes to 0 from the right is 0. Okay, and the limit of ln of x as x goes to 0 from the right is minus infinity. And therefore we have 0 plus minus infinity, which is minus infinity. Okay, so for the case here, something that's 0 plus something that's negatively big is something that's negatively big. Okay, so that means our limit here, the limit of f of x, which is the limit of x plus ln of x as x goes to 0 from the right, is minus infinity. Okay, that means if we graph our function, and when we are close to 0 from the right, so we're gonna get something like this. So we'll get negatively big here, okay? So it means when we get close to 0 here, we will go to minus infinity. Our values, the y values, will become largely big negatively. Okay, that's the meaning. Thank you.